guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart's weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Hello, Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So listen, as far as my weekend bonus, I need 10 offers for 5, which I'm excited about because I feel like I rarely ever get that. As far as a larger bonus, I am not even halfway through that one, so I highly doubt that's gonna work. Is my ear glowing? It is. I highly doubt I'm gonna knock that one out, and so yeah, that's not gonna happen. Now, as far as Flavor Wiki, now I know the cookie dough, some of y'all got it last week. I know Danielle got it last week, and so I finally got it this morning. Now for this one, it's a little tricky. Well, I feel like all they surveys is tricky, like hello. But for this one, it's for the Toll House cookies, so you want to check. It's for the Pillsbury, check. And I also threw in Great Value. Okay, those are the 3 that work for me. This one, it requires that you have a kid, right? And I always, kid. I believe this one you have to do some type of video situation. So we're gonna see how that works out. Now with this one, I got 3 sets of the same thing. So I'm just going to buy 1 set first. We'll see how it works out. If it works out great, then we'll go and we'll get 2 more sets. Now I did get some soda. So if you did the soda like a week ago, check it and see if you have any other that popped up. I got A&W, I got Mug, and then I got the Muscle Milk Protein, the little bottle, the individual one. So check and see if you have any that popped up. As far as that, what else with Flavor Wiki? Yeah, I know it's tricky, and I don't get them all, okay? In fact, I didn't get any on Joseph's account. I got on mine's, and because, yeah, some of the questions are a little tricky, all right? And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you, and you in the back, if you want to see what your girl got, you're ready to do. Hit the like button and keep on. All right, so this first deal is on the Taipei. It's on rollback for $3.77. I had to do this deal again because I absolutely love these. So 2 of them is going to be $7.54, getting back $4.18 from Ibotta. Makes them only $1.68 each. Next up is the Toll House and the Pillsbury cookie dough. I'm excited about this deal. Low key, I'm really excited. High key, I'm excited about it. So we're grabbing the Toll House at $4.68. The Pillsbury is $4. The 2 is going to be $8.68, getting back $16 from Flavor Wiki. It's going to make this a $7.32 moneymaker. And like I did mention, I have 3 identical sets of this. And so I'm really hoping that the first set goes great, because if it does, I'm definitely going to get 2 more sets. And when I tell you this morning was fire on Flavor Wiki, if you're having problems where you don't see offers, always refresh it. Just pull the screen down. Always refresh it, because when I first went in, I didn't see anything new. And I refreshed it, and there was the cookie dough. And so always refresh. So I did get these as well. So we're grabbing the A&W at $7.92, getting back 8. Makes it an 8-cent moneymaker. The mug is priced at $7.97, getting back 8, making that a 3-cent moneymaker. And then the muscle milk is $3.98, getting back 6, makes it a $2.02 moneymaker. I almost low-key skipped out on the sodas because it's not that big of a moneymaker. But I was just like, hey, free is free. Free is free. Free is for me. Next up is the Pedigree. It is priced at 88 cents. Getting back 35 cents on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent dog food that it's working for as well, making that only 43 cents. This is another deal I'm so excited about. And there are so many ways of doing this deal, you guys. We have the offer that popped back up on Ibotta. It's available for Walmart Rewards. It's on the sister apps. It may still be on Checkout 51. We have $3 printables, so there's just countless ways of doing this deal. All right, the Apple ones I did find for $3.78. $3 printable, you'll pay 78 cents, getting back 3 on Ibotta. It made that a $2.22 moneymaker. Now, I also did a couple for both my Walmart accounts, and I think I did Tada and Upromise. So both those sets were also a $2.22 moneymaker. And then last but not least is just to buy them. I'm going ham with this, y'all. I'm using all my coupons. I ordered a set, thinking my set was 12. My set was 18. So I'm almost through the first set. I'm going to order a second set. And I'm just going to grab these whenever I can because 97 cents for me is an awesome deal. Next up is the Centrum. It's priced at $8.12. We have a $4.50 printable from coupons.com. You'll pay $3.62, getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $8.20 on Shopkick, making this a 58-cent moneymaker. Alright, so this deal here is on the Gas X. It's priced at $4.58, getting back $8.50 on Ibotta, checkout 51, and inbox dollars. Makes this 8 cents. Last but not least is the Ali Stress. These are located in the travel section. It's a little 10-count pack. Priced at $4.14, getting back $3 on Ibotta. Makes this only $1.14. And with that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. Alright guys, it's late and I'm so tired right now. But I want to run through this outro for you real quick. This worked out really good. I was able to find 10 of the air wicks, which was really cool. I didn't have any problems using my coupons. I went to self-checkout. And so hopefully I can find more this weekend. I am going to order another set. I forgot that my coupon girl, her sets are sets of 18. And so I'm going to order another set for sure. A couple corrections. I did do the Chick-fil-A salad dressing for Field Agent. I did it again, but it was at Target. And so I paid $4.99, got back $6.99, so that was a $2 moneymaker. I forgot to bring it out, so just imagine it sitting right next to the muscle milk. The other thing, the Centrum, I only got 2. I was going to keep the third one. It wasn't as great a deal. Because it went towards Walmart rewards versus Ibotta. And so I was going to keep it, but I said, no, I'm just going to take it back. So ignore that as well. And with that being said, I'm going to run through this super quick because I'm so exhausted. But everything you see here retails $107.47. I had $30 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $77.47. All right. I'm getting back $38 from Flavor Wiki, $24.99 from Field Agent. I think I did 5 Field Agent jobs. And then Ibotta's $23.83. Walmart Reward was $6 between 2 accounts. Inbox dollars is $4.50. Ta-da! And Upromise, both were $3 each. And then last but not least was Checkout 51 at $1.50. So we walk away with a total of $104.82 back. It makes everything you see here free plus $27.35 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door, because it's been so cold lately. I want to see some suns and rainbows in the comments. If you make it to the end, as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.